What would a Jamaican do if you get up from your seat 1 minute and come back and somebody comfortably sitting in it like a them bare feet? Now Jamaicans don't rush, you know. We stand up first and just look because in we head we are say, no sir, I might seat that, and the person avoid eye contact like them know exactly what them do. Now it get interesting. A Jamaican step a little closer and drop a simple line. Boss, I me did it still. Calm but clear because we're not asking, you know. We're reminding you, and if them try act confused, that's when the tone shift a little. Because now is not even about the seat again, it's the disrespect. So what would a Jamaican do? We claim back we spot without noise, but with presence. Because some things you just don't play with. That's how it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.